How to add noise on Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Canva website right here. And then, of course, open our project. And once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to first upload the image. So we're going to use this as our example. So I'm just going to resize this image into this. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen and then click the apps, which is right here. And then on the search bar, just search for noise. And then click the noise image right there. And then once you're now here, you will see this noise image. So what we're going to do is to just click on that and then click open. And then once you do that, you will now be able to see that we can add the noise in our image. So we have here the preview, the amount of noise, and the strength of noise. You can also do monochromatic noise, so it's up to you if you want to, but I will just leave it as it is. So once you're now done with this, just click add to design. And then once you do that, this is what's gonna look like. So let me remove this one. And if we look closer on the image, as you can see, we now have added a noise on in the image. So that is basically it. That is how to add noise on Canva.